Pubyfun BunnyPal review, pricing explained what you get for your money. If you've ever walked past a toy store and seen a joyful little bunny robot waving at kids, you might be intrigued by BunnyPal. But most people get this wrong. They see the price and assume value without checking what they're really paying for. The BunnyPal from Pubyfun is a children's interactive toy that claims to walk, talk, respond to voice, play games and trigger songs and lights. Think cuddly bunny meets smart toy. According to product listings, it's priced around $101-$200 in some markets. What you get for your money: an entertaining interactive toy that offers more than a static plush toy. Your child might engage with it through voice commands, songs or movement. Novelty and surprise factor for younger children. The talking bunny effect can spark imagination and fun. What you give up at this price range: the build quality, durability, and long-term engagement may be modest. If the novelty wears off quickly, the cost per hour of play becomes high. Battery or charging cost, space for the toy, potential maintenance or parts if the interactive mechanism fails. Here's how to evaluate. Step 1. Check what exact features are included. Does the bunny walk? Does it respond to all voices? Is it multilingual? How many sensors? Step 2. Compare price for your region. In India, check import duties if buying from abroad. Step 3. Estimate how much your child will play with it. If you estimate 100 hours of play and the toy cost $10, then cost is or that's fine. But if it's 20 hours, cost is or less good. Step 4. Read user reviews. Does it last? Is the interactive feature reliable? Are there hidden costs, batteries, accessories? You won't believe what happens next if you assume one fun night and done, the toy sits in cupboard after 1 week and you've lost value. The surprising truth: the real value of interactive toys lies in repeated use and durability, not just a flashy price tag. In conclusion, if you're buying BunnyPal because your child genuinely will use it frequently and enjoy the interactive features, then the price can be justified. If it's a one-off novelty purchase, you may want to compare cheaper alternatives. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more toy pricing explained and what you're really getting for your money.